Hello, very good day to you all. And Agri-Biz International YouTube channel is going to discuss with you today about EU trade overview, the how European Union is engaging in tea business. So normally, European Union is popular as a leading tea importer from the producing countries, but now Europe is gradually expanding their export volume. So today we are going to discuss about how Europe expand in their exports volumes and how that can be impact on future tea trades. So EU is a major tea. EU is expanding actually as the export hub. Currently, what they are doing is they import bulk tea and add value and export to the premium market. They have identified their traditional marketing system now. You know that the leading European countries, those who cultivated tea in the Asia, and after that they sells to the Europe. So then now again later they became the consumer. Today they also going to start their own business as a joining as a sales team. So when you look at the export data currently, Europe have already this is about 2024 data. They have exported $42.9 million export values to the leading countries USA, Japan, Morocco, and Switzerland, and the volume is around 5.7 million kilograms. But this amount is continuously rising in 2024, 25, 26. Is rising the export volume as well as the value of the export from the EU. So that is indicating the EU is expanding their export volume. That means they are working as export hub now. So currently, EU import from Sri Lanka is around 150 million kilograms, and the Sri Lanka represent 18 to 23% the total market value. Sri Lanka is the major supplier for the Europes, and also EU depends on the heavily country like Sri Lanka, India, and Kenya. So when you look at the main suppliers of the EU tea market, the India is supplying 31% of their market share, and Kenya 20%. Sri Lanka is variable 18 to 23. So when you look at the export destinations, USA is a leading export destinations. The EU already have exported 14.29 million kilograms. That's around quantity. 2.5 million quantity. So the next is Japan. The total export volume value is $6.29 million and 0.3 million quantity kilograms. So these other countries also contribute a lot to. These are the main export destinations. So when you look at from Sri Lankan side, the export from Sri Lanka is around 1.55 millions to EU, and is the around 20% market share. And the EU global export is when you look at the data, it's 13.6 points they are exporting to the global. Is a considerable amount, and the major export destination export countries like Germany, Poland, Netherlands, and United Kingdom. These are the countries who are highly engaged in the export of rice. And when you go to the what they actually do, they import bulk teas around an average price $6.9 per kilograms, and they value adds and then export $10.8 per kilogram. So value addition is around 56%. This is one great value addition because 56% additional margin they takes through their exporting hub. So what actually they are doing is value adding activities, blending and the flavoring, packaging, branding and marketing. So actually the European Union is now leading blending and branding hubs compared to the other countries, and also the leading demand in area is for the premium tea, organic tea, single origin tea and the wellness blended. So those who are engaging currently with the wellness and the single origin tea state brands, they will have good demand in future. So those countries who are engaging in the single origin and handmade tea, and the artisanal tea, those they have good demand in future. What currently happen is, as example from Sri Lanka, they export bulk to EU, and they go branding, no value addition, and they go for USA or Japan. So what are the opportunities available? Though we can change from Sri Lanka to branded tea, so we can take additional $2 margins from this branding to the existing customers. But the what actually they are doing, what is they focus on existing customer as well as the premium customers in USA, Japan, Switzerland countries. And also opportunities for the tea producing countries, the artisanal tea, direct export, macro lots, functionalities and story based blending. These are the new opportunities for you, all those who are producing tea for the European Union. So the European Union is not main competitor of the producers, but there are a lot of good opportunities for the producers who are focusing on value addition. So with that, you would like to conclude today discussion about the EU trades of tea.